Dobereiner attempted to arrange the elements with similar properties in group of 3 called Triad. The middle element had the average atomic mass of its predecessor and successor elements, but all the known elements could not be arranged in this way. Newland proposed the grouping of elements of similar properties. He noticed that repetitions in the properties take place at regular intervals, and every 8th element has similarities. It is called Newland's octave. Mendeleev's periodic table consists of 8 vertical columns called groups and 12 horizontal lines.
Important contributions of Mendeleev's periodic table. Systematic study of the elements. Simplified the study of chemistry of elements. The properties of other elements in the group can be easily guessed. Became very useful in studying and remembering the properties of a large number of elements. Correction of atomic masses. Helped in correcting the atomic masses of some elements based on their positions in the table. Prediction of new elements. Mendeleev predicted the properties of undiscovered elements on the basis of their positions. The observed properties of these elements were found to be similar to those predicted by Mendeleev. Position of hydrogen. Hydrogen is placed in group 1. It resembles the elements of group 1, alkali metals, as well as the elements of group 7a, halogens. The position of hydrogen in the periodic table is not correctly defined. Anomalous pairs. Mendeleev placed elements according to similarities in their properties and not in increasing order of their atomic masses. For example, argon, Ar, atomic mass 39.9. Position of isotopes. In Mendeleev's classification, isotopes should be placed at different places depending upon their atomic masses. For example, isotopes of hydrogen with atomic masses 1, 2, and 3 should be placed at 3 places. However, isotopes have not been given separate places in the periodic table. Some similar elements are separated and dissimilar elements are grouped together. For example, copper and mercury resembled in their properties, but they had been placed in different groups. At the same time, elements of group 1a, such as lithium, sodium, and potassium, were grouped with copper, silver, and gold, though their properties are quite different. Causes of periodicity. Mendeleev did not explain the cause of periodicity among the elements. Position of lanthanoids or lanthanides and actinoids or actinides. The 14 elements following lanthanum, known as lanthanoids, from atomic number 58 to 71, and the 14 elements following actinium, known as actinoids, from atomic number 90 to 103, have not been given separate places in Mendeleev's table.
Modern periodic law states that physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. The elements are arranged according to their ascending atomic numbers. The modern periodic table is the extended form of Mendeleev's periodic table. It has 18 vertical columns, 1 to 17, and 0 group. Here you can see modern periodic table and click each element to know name, atomic mass, and electronic configuration. Periodic table is classified as hydrogen, alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, transition metals, poor metals, non-metals, noble gases, and rare earth metals. Click to different icons and know their respective position in periodic table. Basis of classification according to modern periodic law, is the repetition of same outermost electronic configuration at definite interval. For example, alkali metals have one electron in outermost orbits. In halogen group, all the elements have 7 electrons in their outermost orbit. In periodic table, there are 7 horizontal rows are called periods. All the periods are given here, which is coming one by one. First period consists of 2 elements, hydrogen to helium. Second consists of 8 elements, lithium to neon. Third period consists of 8 elements, sodium to argon. Fourth period consists of 18 elements, potassium to krypton. Fifth period consists of 18 elements, rubidium to xenon. Sixth period consists of 32 elements, cesium to radon. Seventh period consists of 32 elements, francium to lawrenciums. Let us know number of elements in each period of periodic table. There are 18 vertical columns in the periodic table called groups. We are going to highlight groups one by one. Group 1 consists of hydrogen to francium. Group 2 consists of Be to Ra. Third consists of Sc to Ac. Fourth belongs to Ti to Rf. Fifth consists of V to Db. Sixth Cr to Sg. Seventh consists of Mn to Bh. Eighth group consists of Fe to Ds and so on. The periodic table is classified into 4 blocks on the basis of filling of valence electrons in orbitals. These are S block, P block, D block and F block. Valence electrons. The numbers of electrons that are present in the outermost shell, valence shell, are called valence electrons. The elements in the periodic table are arranged on the basis of atomic numbers. The number of valence electrons increases gradually from lithium to neon. In a group, each atom of the elements has the same number of electrons in its valence shell. The number of shell gradually increases from lithium to francium along a group. Valency in a period varies from 1 to 7 and then 0. If the number of valence electron is 1, it belongs to the first group. If valence electrons are 2, it belongs to the second group. For elements having more than 2, the group number is 10 plus number of valence electrons. Atomic size. The distance from the center of the nucleus of the outermost shell of electrons of an isolated atom is called atomic size. Atomic size decreases gradually across a period from left to right. Atomic size increases gradually as we go down a group. Metallic and non-metallic character. Metallic character is generally considered as the tendency of the atoms of the elements to lose electrons and form positive ions or cations, while the non-metallic character is considered as the tendency of the atoms of an element to gain electrons and form negative ion or anion. As we move from left to right in the third period, metallic character decreases and non-metallic character increases. For example, sodium is a metal and chlorine is a non-metal. The metallic character increases on descending the group. Nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals. Arsenic and antimony are metalloids, while bismuth is a metal.
Variation in periodic table. Along a group,